The 2026 BMW M5 immediately shows its presence. From the back bumper, the quad exhausts sit inside a sculpted diffuser, and the slim taillights stretch into the fenders, highlighting the wider rear stance. The trunk lip forms a natural aerodynamic spoiler, keeping the rear clean and sharp. At the front, the squared kidney grills with active shutters sit between laser-LED hybrid headlights. The lower intakes are large and functional, feeding air to the brakes and twin turbos. The front bumper looks aggressive but controlled, matching the car's performance identity. From the right side, the body shows deep M sculpting with a strong shoulder line and a lower section shaped for airflow. The 21-inch forged wheels feature a turbine-style design that reduces drag and cools the carbon ceramic brakes. The functional fender vents help release heat from the engine bay and wheel arches, viewing the car directly from the right. The long hood, tight roofline, and short rear deck show a balanced performance silhouette. Even when parked, it looks ready to launch. The left side mirrors the right, but standing here gives a clearer view of the carbon fiber roof, lowering the center of gravity and increasing rigidity. The M mirrors with aerodynamic fins and slightly flared arches emphasize the car's wider, planted stance. From the left view, the shape becomes more dramatic. The widened track and smooth curves give the M5 both aggression and elegance. Inside, cabin blends luxury with performance. The steering wheel is thick and contoured, wrapped in premium leather with carbon accents. Behind it, a 14.9-inch digital cluster changes themes based on drive mode. The center 15.5-inch touchscreen runs the latest iDrive software with fast responses and clean graphics. Essential physical controls remain for quick access. Ambient lighting flows across the cabin, and the M Sport seats offer strong bolstering, heating, cooling, massage, and memory functions. Materials include merino leather, Alcantara, aluminum, and optional carbon fiber trim. Under the hood is a hybrid twin-turbo V8 paired with an electric motor. It's producing about 800 horsepower. It accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 3 seconds. The electric assist removes turbo lag, giving immediate power. The 8-speed M Steptronic transmission shifts quickly and smoothly in all modes. The all-wheel drive system offers a WD Sport and rear-wheel drive modes. The adaptive suspension reads the road ahead, tightening or softening as needed. Handling feels sharp and controlled despite the car's size. On the highway, the M5 cruises quietly, using the hybrid system efficiently. In city driving, the electric-only mode makes it feel like a premium EV, but with one press of the throttle, the V8 delivers a deep, powerful sound unique to M cars. The 2026 M5 stands out because it can be both a comfortable luxury sedan and an extreme performance machine. Every angle, front, rear, sides, and interior shows intention and engineering. It's powerful, refined, and technologically advanced without losing the driving feel that defines the M brand.